Na, "Uy, lumipat ka na sa volleyball, mag-volleyball ka, matangkad kang bata ka, may mapupuntahan ka, akala mo naman talaga."
The fan experience is really really nice. Ever since I felt like I built a lot of friends.
Hi, I am Nina Itang, 24 years old, middle blocker of UP Women's Volleyball Team. My degree program is Bachelor of Physical Education.
Hi, my name is Mark Ordonez. I'm also known as Lady Guard of CHK in Twitter and host of the Updates podcast. By day, I'm an IT consultant and a big fan of the UP Women's Volleyball Team. You are watching Time Out.
Ang unang tanong, okay, when did you become an athlete? Since birth. Char! I think, nung bata pa talaga ako, mahilig na talaga ako sa sport. Yes, of course, especially swimming. Since taga-isla nga ako, I'm an island girl. So, yeah, mahilig ako mag-swim, mag-basketball, since yung bahay namin nasa tapat lang ng basketball court. So, yun. So, nag-start ako mag-volleyball. Ano lang talaga siya, parang nakita ko lang kasi nung elementary ako, nakita ko, sayo-sayo nila, parang naglalaro sila, ang galing-galing, ganyan. Hindi talaga siya, yung, ay, ito na talaga, gusto ko na talaga mag-volleyball player. Kasi nung grade 8 ako, inaano-ano na ako, uy, lumipat ka na sa volleyball, mag-volleyball ka, matangkad kang bata ka, may mapupuntahan ka, akala mo naman talaga. So, ayun, doon ako nag-start grade 9, tas hanggang dito na ako sa UP.
So Time Out asks, let's see the first one. Okay. When and why did you become a fan of the UP Women's Volleyball Team? I became a fan siguro back in season 79 I think. And these were the first few years of our new recruits then, super rookies, Isa Molde, Tots Carlos, Justine Dorog. I saw that they had a really great promise, especially injecting new life to the team. So it was a very exciting season for me. So yeah. Okay, next question.
Wow. Tadam! So, how is the experience of being a student athlete and being part of the UPWV? Ano kasi talaga siya, as in like roller coaster. Being a student athlete kasi, mahirap siyang i-balance, lalo na pag masyado nang demanding yung ACADS, tapos masyado pang demanding yung training. I train twice a day, right? Ang dami pang ini-experience sa buhay outside volleyball. Student ka na, athlete ka pa, tapos may personal life ka pa. So mahirap talaga, roller coaster talaga siya. But masaya naman kasi marami ka talagang like makukuhang lesson, like unexpected lesson na makukuha from those experiences. But yes, roller coaster pero masaya naman, especially dito sa UP. It's unexpected talaga yung pagpunta ko dito, but it's all worth it.
How would you describe your experience as a UP Women's Volleyball fan? The fan experience is really really nice. I felt like I built a lot of friends. There's a great community online as well. I got to meet a lot of them watching the games. I actually got to meet also a lot of the players. And though hindi kami close to mga players, I mean, I always get that recognition, especially for example if it's off-season.
Direct. Char. How are you as an athlete before and now? Nung high school, kasi di ba nakwento ko na ba sa inyo, na parang nag-start lang talaga ako para nga talaga mag-aral lang ako ng libre sa Cebu. So parang okay, hindi masyadong seryoso. Since matangkad na ako, nung high school talaga, lang talaga siya, yung goal ko is makapag-aral. So parang minsan nasasabi ko during the day, pwede na to, okay na yan. Pero nung nandito na ako sa UP, alam mo yun, kasi yung goal, may goal talaga, lalo na pag collegiate, UAP level, meron ka talagang gustong marating eh. Kailangan patunayan sa sarili mo, hindi lang sa sarili mo, kundi pa sa mga taong nasa paligid mo. Yun, I think yun yung big difference, yung pagiging seryoso training, yung character and yung disiplina mo.
What was your most memorable fan experience? Now, I have two. Back in before yata season 81, And I think during the preseason, during the time, I think we won 2 off-season championships. Talagang heavy favorites tayo for season 81. And then there was this match on the actual season, I think. Kalaban natin ng NU and 5th set noon. I think lamang tayo, 14-9 or something like that. And then unfortunately, nakahabol yung NU Bulldogs. It's currently a meme in Twitter. Ako yung naka-stripes na maroon na pumapalakpak kasama nung meme.
Yan. In what ways do you benefit from the fans? And how do they affect you as an athlete as well? In terms of motivation, parang nakakakuha din ako ng motivation from them. Pag may nakikita kang taong hindi mo naman kilala at hindi ka kilala personally, tapos naniniwala sa'yo unconditionally, supporting you unconditionally, parang nakakataba po siya ng puso na may isang taong wala namang nakukuhang kapalit pero sumusuporta sa'yo. Pero ang sarap sa pakiramdam na may sumusuporta sa'yo habang naglalaro ka. Kahit saan ka man magpunta, online, minsan may nakakasalubong kang tao na, huy, idol kita. Parang dahil sa iyo, nag-start ako mag-volleyball, manood. Dahil magkakaroon ka ng dahilan ba't mo gustong mag-training araw-araw. Na kahit sobrang nakakapagod na, tuloy pa rin dahil maraming naniniwala sa iyo. At kailangan mo magtiwala sa sarili mo.
The next question. How would you describe the UP community and what's it like to be part of it? Historic ang UP community when it comes to supporting fans. In all honesty, mababait pa tayo. Kasi yung ibang community talaga sometimes very, very toxic about our players. Pero the titos and titas at saka mga supporters natin ng UP, alam mo yun, kahit pa paano, humble tayo. But, we're very much trusted when it comes to our own competitions. Kung nagko-compete tayo para sa mga awards, tayo lang may kaya niyan. When we say something, it's funny. Hindi lang tayo, for example, me. Kahit pa paano, we make it fun and we make it really, really engaging. So, I feel like the UP community, mababait tayo. And also very, very nice.
Last question. What are your thoughts on online volleyball fan culture and communities? Thoughts? Communities? Culture? Big word. I think, naman siya, parang everything is good but in moderation. Okay. Sa online, hindi naman natin madedenay. Medyo may mga bagay talaga na sobrang toxic, makikita ka. Masasabi ko lang is mag-ingat. Mag-ingat. We are free in this country, but it doesn't cost you anything to be kind. So, mag-ingat sa mga words na ginagamit online.
Next. How does the UP WBT fandom compare to the other teams' fandoms based on your observation? Sabi ko na siya briefly, But I would say, alam mo yon, despite us not getting the best results, I would say, we always stick around with our teams and players. Kita mo, the fan experience, parang siyang K-pop concert now. People are handing out stickers, handing out banners, handing out keychains and everything. And the players also are feeling that already, Despite us obviously not making it to the Final Four, yung efforts ng team natin are very much appreciated and they're very much loved. And you cannot say that with every team. There are teams actually that are making it to Final Four, but they're not getting the same type of support. So that's one thing that I really love about the UP community.
Thank you for watching Time Out.
Stay tuned for more fun and off-court volleyball content. See you on the court side.
Uwian na! Pack up! Diba? Brazilian dance, bawal mawala yan. Vitamins yan, araw-araw.
Hi, my name is Mark Ordonez, Lady Guard of CHK in Twitter.
Hey y'all! It's Nina Itang again. And we're back for another episode of Time Out. Time out. Pero ang ganda nung come from behind ng UP sa 24 and 13. Oh! UP cramming Maroons on top! Hashtag UP5. Oh, ano to? Hindi ko gets to.
I'd imagine these are the games that we played against maybe NU
and UE, just ko during this season, grabe, sabi ko nga, nung nag-post din ako sa Twitter, similar to this, sumabog ang regla ko, kakanood nito.
UP Coming Maroons. At bakit hindi? Diba? Yun talaga, bilog ang bola. Hindi natin ma-predict kung ano yung mangyayari during a game. E di, bola kayo dyan. Coming Maroons, go. At least panalo. Panalo kami.
Nina Itang to alas, Pilipinas is now. I would not argue against that.
Yay! Talaga? Buti ka pa, ma'am. Alam mo, ma'am. Di ko alam yan, ah.
Imagine, storied career from just trying to find free education in the University of the Philippines to getting 4 second best middle blocker awards. If you get the call for Alas Pilipinas, very well deserved.
We'll see. Abangan. Ewan ko na lang sa inyo, UP. Wala talagang consistency. Ay, sorry naman talaga. Hindi talaga kayo mag-Final Four niyan. Ang pangit na nga laro ng USC sa set 1, sinabayan pa na buong game. Milagro na lang talaga. #UAAP Season 88. Ma'am, madam, pasensya na talaga. Ito na talaga. Public apology na to. Madam, pasensya naman talaga, madam. Ano talaga, sinubukan talaga namin pasensya na. Tawagan mo ko. Kape tayo.
Well, there are really fans that are like that, quite invested about the games. And I'd imagine, and I am also feeling that also, and I would want to vent it out too sometimes. Parang you would realize na kung tayo frustrated, mas frustrated syempre yung team, mas frustrated yung girls.
Nilaban talaga namin, but may mga pagkukulang talaga minsan na mahirap balikan. Diba? Ang iba na yun, girl. Iba na yun, sorry. Cut!
Okay. Angel Canino POG after UP's Nina Itang POG. Tanggalan man ang prangkisa, iba pa din ang tadhana. Nagdidikta ng kapalaran, Eme.
Okay, next tweet ulit.
Well, the Itangel legacy na tinanggalan ng prangkisa kasi parang nagalit yata mga parents.
Ba? Ano gusto niyo sabihin ko dito?
Nakakakilig. Alam mo yun? Yes, nakakakilig. In all honesty, if it brings more fans to the game, if it brings more attention, obviously, to the girls, just so obviously they get more support.
Yes, yun, nadagdagan yung support, nadagdagan yung fan na nagsusupport, na sumusuporta, or like nagme-message, nag-follow sa'yo. Thank you kasi nagagawa niyong pasayahin ang sarili ninyo. Alam niyo yun, dun kasi sila masaya eh. Ako naman, hindi ko sila pipigilan. Like, hindi ko din sila makokontrol. Kahit anong gawin kong pagkontrol. Tumigil kayo! Kahit ganyan-ganyanin ko sila. Know your limits, boundaries ba? As long as wala naman kayong inaapakang relasyon. Ay, relasyon.
Pero kasi sometimes din, di ba, parang distracting lalo na baka mamaya may mga relationship to mga to.
Ay, single na ako guys call me. Okay, joke lang. Okay, this loss hurts so much for us. But it must hurt even more for the girls. Tama! Especially the seniors who gave everything in their last playing year, hoping for an ending they deserved. It was a great run, UP Women's Volleyball team. Maybe this wasn't your season, but nothing takes away the heart you showed. Red heart. Aww. OA. Paka-OA ko talaga. Pero yes.
And that's true. For every year, imagine for entire year, for every varsity team, wala kayong ginawa kundi to train for the season. And you have just 14 games to be able to make it and make a difference.
Alam mo yun, yung masakit siya. Aray ha? Aray ko ah. Aray ko! Thank you kasi na-acknowledge nyo na nasasaktan din po kami. Hindi lang po kayo yung na-frustrate. Kung na-frustrate kayo sa result ng games, lalong-lalo na po kami. As in, tenfolds. Kasi kami yung naghihirap sa training, kami yung naghihirap sa laro. Hindi pa nila alam kung ano pa yung personal na nararanasan ng isang player.
I really can say that they gave it their all. And we're really, really proud of the team. And the community is naman din.
But yeah, thank you for acknowledging our hardships. Amen. Sa UP community sa Twitter, online UP community, thank you for taking the time na mag-tweet para sa UP Women's Volleyball Team. Kung saan kayo masaya, Gora na yan. But, mag-isip-isip tayo. Sabi nga ni, sino nagsabi nun? Si Pia Wurtzbach, think before you click. Tama ba? Si Pia ba yun? Wait. Ay, no. It's Venus Ra? Si Venus Ra ba yun?
Para sa ating online UP Women's Volleyball Team community or tinatawag naming Reglandia, di ba? Thank you for all these years of supporting our UP Women's Volleyball team. It hasn't been easy, obviously, it has been ups and downs, but we can really see naman that the girls are doing really, really well. Thank you for supporting them, and always, alam mo yun, thank you for bringing the fun and joy and watching the games.
I know, love nyo naman ang UP Women's Volleyball Team, but be kind lang talaga, guys. You can tweet, mga mag-support kayo, pero pag wala kayong magandang sasabihin, i-shut na lang ang mouth. But yeah, thank you sa support ninyo lagi. See you around sa UP.
Thank you for watching Timeouts.
Stay tuned for more fun and off-court volleyball content.
See you on the court side.
Thank you!
Okay.
Your message for Ira.
Hi, Ira. I know you took the risk also on joining the UP Women's Volleyball team. You have a very, very good program coming from high school and following the footsteps of your brother, Janjan. Parang you trusted, obviously, that UP will give you that opportunity, and you did well. Thank you for being an inspiration, and thank you for staying through and through.
Now naman po kay
Joanne. Hi, Joanne. I know it wasn't the easiest for us in terms of journey. When we started, there were a lot of expectations. I think even on social media, they're hitting us obviously as a promise of to bring obviously championships early on. But later on, obviously, you proved that it's not just your presence on the court that matters, but then also your leadership. You were truly inspiring, especially last season, on your matches, especially versus LaSalle and NU. You were deemed as the closer of the team, we might not have seen you in your last year a lot, but you have made an impact and a mark to the team. So thank you for playing for you.
And last po kay
Nina, you have been a joy for everybody, watching you on court, alam mo yun, taking on a role as a leader in the court itself. Like I mentioned earlier, who would have known na from gunning just for a free education in UP, playing in the UAAP, being able to get 4 UAAP awards. It's such an achievement. We're very, very proud of you. We're proud that you come from the UP system. Fly high, Nina. Get that Alas nod. Get into PVL. We're always going to be a fan.
Thank you po. Ay,
Oh my God! Hey, Nina!
hello po!
Hi, my name is Mark Ordonez, host of the Updates podcast and Lady Garden CHK in Twitter.
And I am Nina Itang, middle blocker of UP Women's Volleyball Team.
And we're here for Timeout!
Now, guys, we're gonna play lie detector games using that lie detector toy. So, kung maalala niyo po, tinanong po namin kayo separately sa mga group chats natin ng mga tanong na answerable ng yes or no. Guys, ready?
Ready? Sino una?
Pwede po magpapabot.
Ge!
Bato, pick.
Bato, pick! Bato, pick!
Ah!
Una ka! Have you ever had a favorite player on the team? Ay!
Yes, I have a favorite player in the team.
Sino? Sino? Ba't ka nagtutunog?
Oo,
First
para
time
ko
ko
lang
to.
papamanipedi, ha?
First time ko. Ah! Ay, man!
Ano yung sabihin nun? Ibig sabihin sa lahat? Wala.
Wala
Ah,
po.
kasi,
Favorite ko kayo
favorite
lahat.
lahat.
Ganun
Standing
talaga.
ovation. Pakpak.
Pero kung merong favorite talaga, meron talaga akong favorite. Favorite ko syempre si Nina.
Dito
Pero
kasi
pwede
ako
siya.
eh.
Ikaw na, girl.
Wala,
ano yung pipiliin ko?
Yung pink.
Pink, pink. Okay, my God. Hanap tayo ng pink. O sige, ito na. Did you ever think, even for 1 second, that getting a free education in UP would turn into, 4 UAAP awards?
Wala no po. Like, ever!
Oh, ito na.
Wala no!
No, hindi talaga. Ito na, ito na. Ayan. Oh, mali din. No?
No, walang kuryente.
Wala.
Sumigaw ka kasi!
So, never mo talaga in-expect.
Never ko po talaga in-expect na yung pagpunta ko dito, ganito yung makikilala yung pangalan ko, makikilala ko as a player. Kahit nga, sa Cebu nga lang po talaga, di ba po, yung goal ko. Sa anong mga sa Cebu lang talaga makakapag-aral ako ng libre sa Cebu. Tapos hindi ko na-expect, kahit pagpunta ng UP, hindi ko in-expect talaga. Hindi ko nakita na mag-aaral ako sa UP, maglalaro ako for UP. And then, dito na ako. Thank you, Lord.
Yeah. It couldn't go to a more deserving person. Sobrang deserving. Good job. Ako na uli.
Thanks.
Oh my gosh, ito na.
Ano? Ikaw mo naman. Have you ever skipped or rescheduled plans just to watch a UP Women's Volleyball team match?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yes. Diyos ko, kunyari pag wala na akong leave, ang gagawin ko, Tuesday, medyo umuubo-ubo na ako. Oo, boss. Yeah, sige boss, gawin ko.
Wala?
Ano yan? Tie? It's a tie? It's a truth? It's a truth. Oo.
Yes!
Oo.
Wala, grabe pala ang sacrifice mo. Alam niyo po, na-appreciate ko po talaga yung sacrifice na ginagawa niyo po para sa team. Nung wala pong kapalit.
Ganun talaga. Alam mo yun, kaligayahan ko yan. Like I said kanina nung interview, no? Yung happiness na nabibigay niya sa akin after a stressful week, sobrang dami ko ginagawa sa trabaho, pero yung makikita ako sa'yo, nag-enjoy sa court, nilalaban niya and everything. And I have something to look forward to the weekend. It's a big thing. So, maliit na bagay yung panunood at pag-suporta sa inyo. Kasi malaking bagay din yung
Give and
nabibigay
take
niyo.
to, guys. Give and take. Give and take! Okay, ako na.
Pak, ito na. Question. Kaya ba pagsabayin ang UAAP, ACADS, at love life?
No.
No? Oh, pindutin natin.
No.
Oh, no?
No.
No nga ba?
May konting
Ay,
vibration.
truth siya kasi
Truth.
more green, so no
Oh,
nga.
no. Hindi talaga, guys. Kasi, I tried. Mahirap. Pero kung I tried, nahirapan talaga ako, guys. Lalo na sa love life na part. Kasi
Ganun.
wala akong ganun eh. So, no.
Parang
hindi pwede
di-
pagsabay.
Parang maraming nahuhuli-huli online. Ano?
Okay. For last, final call. OA. Do you believe it's better to be loved than to love?
I think mas gusto ko yung mahal ko.
Oy, wow.
Mahal ko.
Ayun yung better.
Yeah, better. Oh my God.
Wala talaga.
True.
Truth. Oh, tama. naman.
There's a very famous quote that if unequal love cannot be, let the more loving one be.
Uy, ganun ka din.
Kasi syempre, kung hindi mo naman mahal, hindi ka naman magiging masaya, di ba? Di ba? So,
Eh, paano po kasi pag nagbigay ka na nagbigay kasi sobrang mahal mo, tapos nasasaktan ka lang, gusto mo sa next adventure? Sa next, gusto gusto ko next relationship ko, mas mahal ako kasi
oo.
ang hirap pala ng
Yeah.
ganun.
Dalawa yan no? Parang ang lesson in life is that, di ba? Kung magmamahal ka ng iba, di gawin mo yung mas mahal mo, ang piliin mo kaysa dus mas mahal ka. But, kailangan mas mauna yung mahal mo yung sarili mo. Oh,
Period. Ganun.
let's work. Ito na, last
Okay,
question.
last.
Okay. Naging inspirasyon ka at ligaya ng maraming tao sa 5 taon na naglaro ka sa UAAP para sa youth. Naramdaman mo ba ng todo-todo ang pagmamahal ng lahat ng sumusuporta sa iyo?
Yes! 100% ang naramdaman ko. mo talaga! Pindutin na yan!
Hindi ba maraming bashers?
Naramdaman ko ang support. May bashers, but... Bashers? Nagka-basher kasi ako during after nung FPU.
Oo, nakita ko
Kasi
Truth naman. Naramdaman niya.
vibration?
Kaya talaga pag medyo slightly merong konting pula-pula, may vibration pa rin. Pero hindi yung malakas.
Naramdaman ko naman fully 100% yung support sa akin. But may bashing kasi. Pero okay lang naman. It's normal naman. Kaya ko naman po tumanggap. It means, may nakikita silang hindi ko nakikita. And kailangan ko baguhin yun. And kaya ko po tumanggap ng mga criticism pa sa akin, towards sa akin. Nung FEU kasi, di ba, nung nagsuswag po kasi ako. So, syempre, taga-UP tayo Palaban tayo. Pinalaki ako ng UP maging palaban. So, wala tayong aatras ang laban.
Tama yan.
Pero, friendly lang naman yun.
Oo.
Sa laro lang naman po talaga yun.
Totoo naman.
So, we wanna ask kung ano yung overall experience natin ngayon na nagtapat kayo personally. Kasi hindi lang online. Ngayon, nandiyan na kayo.
Ako po, parang eye-opening po siya sa akin. Kasi hindi ko po talaga in-expect na may ganito pala talaga pong fan na... Kasi, alam mo yun, yung ibang fan na nakikita ko, like, for the clout lang, ganyan. Kasi, support na din tayo. Alam niyo po yan. Pero, parang po kay Kuya Mark, parang naging parte na niya, ng buhay niya, yung pag-support ng UP Women's Volleyball Team. And sobrang nakaka-touch po na may ganun pong fan na, yun nga po, sabi ko, kahit walang kapalit, sumusuporta po sa amin. Kahit na natatalo kami, hindi pa kami ganun kapasok sa, alam mo yun, high level ng competition. Pero, sumusuporta pa rin sila sa amin. And, yun po, sobrang nakakataba ng puso and very grateful na may ganun pong fan po na sumusuporta at nagmamahal sa amin.
Oh,
Thank you pa.
salamat din. For me naman, it's great, alam mo yung getting to know the players. Ako, I try my best to distance myself a little bit as a fan also. Kasi, I know the players have their own personal lives and hindi tayo nakikipaghimasok, for example, in their lives. As it is, I'm so happy already seeing them on court, seeing them play for the community. I know that they are doing a lot of sacrifices. Training sometimes, hindi natin alam kung ano yung mga problems pa nila personally, for example, even on ACADS, di ba? So those types of pressures, hindi na natin kailangan dagdagan na kailangan maghanap nila ng oras personally, for example, for a fan. But the things that they have given to the community, showing, for example, the heart and the passion. Especially getting to know them, for example, as their stories get published. Things like, galing sila sa province, lahat sila, they all come together, hoping for a good future, hoping for a great opportunity. And seeing you, such as yourself, Nina, and some of the other girls, making the most of that opportunity, di ba? At hindi nila binibigo yung sarili nila, yung pangako din nila sa community and to the school and to do everything that they could so that they can also compete and win. That makes me proud and that makes me happy and that's the reason why I am a fan. So, thank you, UP Women's Volleyball Team. Thank you, Nina, for making every weekend, every Wednesday, every time that you play, a worthwhile experience for me and for the fans. Thank you and we love you so much.
Thank you pa.
Salamat, Nina.
Bless.
Bless. Talaga, bless. Bless din ako, gantihan tayo.
Ganun.
Yan.
Sige, bless. This has been Time Out.
Thanks for watching.
See you on the next one. Yay! Oo, ka talaga. Saan ba ako nagmana? Sa nanay ko. Yun na po yan.
Pansit, pansit? It's a wrap!
Yay! It's a wrap.